So we're here today with 30 of the top students from the University of Maryland. We're challenging them to solve three major business problems. The first is how to stimulate the local innovation ecosystem. The second is to transform current management practices so that they are more aligned with the challenges of modern management. The third is to figure out how small businesses can use business intelligence to accelerate their growth. We've structured this event to really provide these students with a unique interviewing experience and afford them with the opportunity to hone their skills and to become more marketable. However, we're not doing this alone. We've received enthusiastic support from Montgomery County. Organizations like the Montgomery County Department of Economic Development, the Tech Council of Maryland, and the Montgomery Business Development Corporation are either participating in the event today or have offered to help us find internship positions for these students in organizations throughout the county. Our goal for this event is to find creative, energetic, and innovative young talent. We want to provide them with internships that enrich their academic experience. We hope to accomplish this by exposing them to the commercialization of cutting-edge IT products that will be used to solve problems, very much like the problems they are attempting to solve today.